Grow fenugreek in 3 to 6 days from seeds. Seeds germinate in 1 day, and harvest fenugreek, methi leaves, in less than 6 days, in any season. Buy the dry seeds from the grocery store. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, throw away any floating seeds. They will not germinate. Take a plastic box and put a kitchen paper or newspaper inside it. Spread the soaked seeds on the paper. Note that the seeds have swollen, ready to sprout. Cover the box and place it in shade at a dark and warm place. Outdoors if temperature is above 12 degrees Celsius. If temperature is below 12 degrees Celsius, then place it indoors in a warm location like AC room or on top of your fridge. This way I could germinate methi seeds at much lower winter temperatures in Sydney. Seeds will germinate in 1 day or more depending on the temperature. Now prepare the seed planting soil. Mix some cow manure or compost and river sand or perlite in soil. The sand is to make soil free draining, and the manure makes it fertile. Plant the germinated seeds in well-draining potting soil. Cover seeds slightly with soil. Keep damp. Place the pot in full sun if temperature is between 12 to 30 degrees Celsius. Place indoors at a warm place at a bright spot if temperature is outside this range. This way you can harvest methi leaves in 5 to 7 days all times of the year. It is wise to plant seeds every 3rd week so you get a continuous supply of methi seeds. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to know when the new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.